Do-It-Yourself Business Ideas 2021. How to get Helium Hotspot Safety and Security. Hi, I'm Ricky Williams. In this video, I'm going to talk about safety and security for the Helium Hotspot miner in your workplace or home. In a couple minutes, I'm going to tell you about how hackers are making Helium more secure. But first, let's look at the basics. Hotspot radiation safety. Radio waves are in the lower frequency part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Lower frequency means lower energy, but also the ability to travel long distances. Low energy means they don't cost much to operate. Low energy output also means these hotspots are particularly safe for humans. The amount of energy a hotspot uses is normally less than 4 watts, comparable to a cell phone. But you never hold a hotspot close to your head, and hotspot transmissions usually last less than a second. In case you're wondering, helium hotspots ace the standards for radio frequency safety. A helium hotspot emits 0.07% of the maximum permissible exposure to RF devices. It does that for less than a second and less than 4 times per day. What about hotspot security? Your hotspot is designed to handle potentially sensitive data from IoT devices or Internet of Things devices in workplaces and homes. All this data is physically encrypted and anonymous. Your hotspot never knows what or whose data it's sending, only where to send it. Hotspots cannot spy on your business or collect any of your private information, and hotspots are not able to access any other devices on your work or home network. Could your hotspot be hacked? Your hotspot is relatively safe, but it's not completely hack-proof. If you're concerned, you could buy a separate router and put your hotspot on its own private network for less than $20. You could also prevent many hacking attacks by securing all but one of the inboard miner ports behind a security firewall. What about physical security? Anyone can find the physical location of your hotspot. So if this were your hotspot, sour-felt salmon, proof of coverage means that anyone can see it in explorer.helium.com or other Helium tracking apps. Helium protects the privacy of hotspot owners by snapping their location to the center of the Res8 hex. Your location could be anywhere within this hex, even though it's shown in the center. And no one knows your name or exact address, just that your location is somewhere within this hex within a several block radius. If someone ever walks off with your helium miner, it will probably stop earning HNTs. You would also have to pay for a replacement if you want to keep mining. But no thief would be able to use your device for their own mining because it's been assigned to you and to your location. They would also not have access to your helium wallet or your helium tokens. What about Helium wallet security? When you set up your wallet in the Helium app, it will generate a 12-word seed phrase. That acts as a mnemonic for the private security key for your wallet. You can also set up a personal identification number, but if you need to recover your wallet, you'll need those 12 words. Be sure to write the words down and keep them in a secure place. If you lose them, you will not be able to get them back. The Bug Bounty Program. This reads like the plot of a movie or a TV show. The good guys are so worried about being hacked that they hire a hacker to protect them. The hacker is a charismatic hero gone rogue with a soft spot in their heart for the little guy. Sound familiar? Actually, this is a real program, and Helium offers bounties ranging from $50 to $1,000 to independent hackers for bringing helium-related security issues to their attention. These issues can be with the Helium blockchain, Helium servers, or Helium miners. What do you think? Is this a good idea? In the next video, we'll look at how to help other people get their own hotspots as an iHub affiliate. In the meantime, if you want to get your own new hotspot miner, then keep watching my videos to help you understand the risks and the rewards. If you can't wait, you can get started right away by clicking the first link in the comments below. Click the nationalconsumeradvocate.com/helium-miner link in the first comment below this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel to get the latest info about making money with your hotspot.